This is for the tracks to extend and pull them in. I don't see a grease fitting on this. Not sure if that's needed or if I'm missing something. I'll be looking into that. Here you can see underneath, there's the gear. It's already got grease on it. So there's the machine. There's a spot here for the manual. And there's a little toolbox under here. There's a horn. And there's a manual switch LED. So I'm going to get to using it now.